It's decision day for veteran journalist and Rappler CEO Maria Ressa, who is facing a cyber libel charge that could see her jailed. This is a case that some sectors view as an attack on press freedom. Our senior correspondent, Anjo Alimario, is one of 3 journalists who will be allowed to enter the courtroom to witness proceedings on the verdict. And he joins us live from Manila. Anjo, good morning. Tell us, how did this all start?
Good morning, Ria. Well, it all started when Rappler published a story in 2012 linking businessman Wilfredo Keng to then Chief Justice Renato Corona. The article cited an intelligence report detailing Keng's supposed shady past over his alleged involvement in illegal activities, including human trafficking and drug smuggling. But it's only in 2017, or 5 years later, when Keng filed a complaint. The prosecution alleged that Maria Ressa and former Rappler researcher Reynaldo Santos, who wrote the story, republished it in 2014. But this republication only involved a correction of a misspelled word. That's it. And while government lawyers conceded that the first publication of the article in 2012 is not covered by the Cybercrime Act, they had a different view when it comes to the 2014 publication. It ruled that under multiple publication rule, a single defamatory statement, if published several times, gives rise to as many offenses as there are publications. But Ressa's lawyers argued no evidence has been offered to show her participation in the writing, editing, publishing, and alleged republishing of the story. Santos, although writing it in 2012, also had no hand in republishing the story. Now, the decision will be out in 2 hours. It could be fast unless the whole decision is read. If convicted, Ressa could be facing jail time of up to 7 years, all because of one misspelled word, Ria.
Well, Andrew, let's say that Maria Ressa gets convicted. What happens next? Will she be sent to jail right away? Can she still appeal?
Well, Ressa can still post bail after conviction as she appeals her case all the way up to the Supreme Court. Now, if she gets acquitted, this is the end of her cyber libel case, but it doesn't mean her legal battle is over. Remember, Ressa is still facing a number of cases in different courts, including over Rappler's ownership, Ria.
Andrew, what about Wilfredo Keng? Any word on him?
Over the weekend, Keng issued a statement. He said the case is very important to him because Rappler tarnished his good reputation. He also said he strongly supports press freedom. That's why he wants to vindicate himself in court. He pointed out he's just a victim of irresponsible media and that no one should be above the law. And as for Ressa, she said she's embracing the fear, and while she thinks this is not an easy time for being a journalist, she believes that the mission of journalism has become more important today than ever. Ria?
All right, thank you very much, Anjo Alimario, our senior correspondent.